Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're subscriber by now. What should be the ideal schedule at this point of time for a NEET PG aspirant, or you are going for INICT? What should your ideal daily schedule look like? Okay, I've been customizing schedules for a lot of people. I've been giving personalized guidance one-to-one to a lot of people, and I know what works for them, what's not working for them, what kind of personality requires what kind. Some people are people who want to study late at night. They're night owls. They do not try to सुबह उठने का हो ही नहीं पाता है. They try so much but it does not happen. Some people with us wake up at 4:30, start their day early, finish off by 8 p.m. 8:30 p.m. and then they're done. They relax for a couple of hours. They feel a lot is done already in that day, and then they move on, sleep early, wake up early. ठीक है. तो ideally what should your schedule be like? ठीक है. Ideally for a aspirant, सुबह 4, 4:30, 5 बजे तक you should start your day. You should start your day with mixed bag custom module. Okay, at least 50 to 75 questions a day. Initially you should solve PYQ tags only, aims and recent need. ठीक है. Once you are done with 75% marks consistently on 4-5 occasions, okay, then you should add 2 more tags, that is image based and clinical. इन 4 tags को cover करने के बाद, once you get 75% in that, in the mixed bag, then you should move to all tags. Okay, so that's how your custom module progress is going to be like. Custom module से start किया, उसके बाद उसका review करो. ठीक है, it will take about 45 minutes. Okay, review that, put that in the my notebook. Next thing, start watching the videos. Okay, it's passive learning. Start watching the videos. End that. उसके बाद 11 बजे के आसपास, now you should focus on revision. 11 से 2 बजे तक. ठीक है, that is revision time. ठीक है, 2 बज गए, have a lunch break, have a 45 minutes nap if you want. Okay, recharge yourself, wake up, solve one more custom module, that is the subject specific. जिस subject को आप पढ़ रहे हो उसका custom module solve करो. Evening हो जाएगी. Evening में you should do a small physical activity, and if possible सुबह के custom module के बाद भी एक you can do a small physical activity, but evening में recharge करने के लिए it works wonders. Take a long shower, take a good walk or do some jogging. This will help out, release the stress. ठीक है, और ऐसे कुछ motivational videos you can watch during that time. Okay, on audio probably, and you can keep jogging. So that's what used to work for me. ठीक है. उसके बाद ठीक है, अब 3-4 घंटे अपने पास और बचे. इसके बाद यहाँ पे एक SWT आ सकता है, या फिर एक TND आ सकता है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, वीडियो वॉचिंग आ सकती है, जो रिवीजन पेंडिंग है. ठीक है, ये हो गए दोनों. रिव्यू कर लिया आपने सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक को भी. रात को सोने से पहले 1.5 घंटा हैज टू बी डेडिकेटेड टू द माई नोटबुक. उसके रिविजन में योर 1.5 hour हैज टू गो. देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन अबाउट इट, एंड 1.5 hour हैज टू गो इन द एंड अबाउट इट. ठीक है. This is my WhatsApp number 9116324253. If you want to reach out, have any doubts, have any questions, or you want to, solve your personalized strategy with me, solve the next 3 months with me, plan your next 3 months with me. Okay, you reach out to me on this number, and then I'll get back. We can discuss your customized strategy. ऑल्सो देयर इज अ फ्री व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप जहाँ पे कस्टम मॉड्यूल सॉल्व कर रहे हैं अपन डेली. ठीक है, मॉर्निंग में शेयर हो रहा है. फ्राइडे, एवरी फ्राइडे इवनिंग देयर इज अ लाइव क्विज ऑन गूगल मीट. यू कैन जॉइन दैट. डेफिनेटली मेक इट अ पॉइंट टू जॉइन दैट. यू विल बेनिफिट फ्रॉम इट अ लॉट. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट गाइज. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.